Hello to everybody students, welcome to our English class. So in this class I am going to explain you about the new topic, that is about the Glenn Cunningham. So this lesson is present in our English textbook 3rd unit children. So from the 3rd unit we have came across the reading A, reading B and reading C. Okay, we had 3 lessons. So from those 3 lessons, so this is the lesson came across in our 3rd unit, that is about the Glenn Cunningham. It is explained in the listening and speaking bit children. So this lesson is present in the page number 129. Yes, so our 6th class students, everybody should have to open your textbook and refer the page number 129. So this lesson will be present in your appendix at the end of your textbook children. Okay, so let us start our lesson. So before going to start about this Glenn Cunningham children, so we want to discuss about the few lessons from the 3rd unit. So from the 3rd unit we have came across the what can $1.11 do, that we have completed. Then the second part is what? The second part is about the nation strength children. Yes, it is about the nation strength, and the third one is about the Wilma Rudolph. Right. So from this 3rd unit we are taking the example of Wilma Rudolph. Whatever the girl, whatever the spirit our Wilma Rudolph had, what she has achieved by suffering with different kind of diseases. Even though she had the polio, she has faced with many difficulties and she became one of the greatest runner all over the world children. So in the same way, one more character is there. Who is that person? Our Glenn Cunningham. He too also participated in the world Olympics games. Okay, so let us start the lesson. Everybody should have to open the page number 129. You are the 6th class children, so even though we are telling the lesson name also, you are not able to open the textbooks, no? So everybody should have to open the page number 129. Right. So Glenn Cunningham. Hope all have opened the textbook. I am reading the lesson here children. So Glenn Cunningham was a good runner. In the beginning of the lesson only it has given. So who is the Glenn Cunningham? He is one of the good runner children. In races at school he ran faster than his friends. So what is the greatest thing we are hearing here? That is, he is one of the greatest and a good runner. And in the races at school, actually where your races are kept children in the school, when we are going to study, when you are going to the school, during the games period you will be having the running races, yes or no? So from that period, this boy, what he has done in the races at school, he ran faster than his friends. So competition actually kept between the many students. When many students are participating, what will happen children? So one or the other student will be coming fast, yes or no? Right. So in the same way our Glenn Cunningham is doing the same here. Right. Next one is, I want to become a fastest runner in the world, Glenn told himself. So everybody had one ambition children. Every member will have some ambition. Here also our Glenn Cunningham has one ambition, one goal. What is the goal here? The goal is to become the fastest runner in the world. He wanted to become the fastest runner in the world. That's why he is telling by himself. He is not sharing his opinion to his friends or to other children. He is sharing his opinions by himself. Now, to achieve his goal, what he is doing, let us see. One day there was a big fire at Glenn school. So due to electric problems, there might be the electric shocks, electric circuit also children. So when the circuit occurs, what happens? The fire may cause spreads all over the buildings, we can tell, all over the schools, whatever it may be. So it is happened the same here. One day there was a big fire at Glenn's school. He was burnt very badly. So in the fire, what had happened to this boy actually? So when the great fire had occurred into the school, he was badly injured children. Now his legs were burnt more than any other part of his body. See here, what a great injury had happened to this boy. What happened to him? So he was burnt very badly. His legs were burnt more than any part of his body. So from his complete body, which part of the body has burnt very badly, children? His legs were burnt very badly. Now, so when he was taken to the doctor, near to the doctor, what the doctor has suggested to this boy? Let us see here. The doctors looked at his legs and said that he would not be able to run again. What the doctors have told here? The doctors told that he will not walk or he will not run in his future. Okay, in his future he doesn't run. So the doctor looked at his legs and said that he would not be able to run again. He will not able to run again. The doctor has told. So when in our life also, children, if anything injury had happened to or any part of the body, when we are referring to the doctor, if the doctor tells you are not able to see, if you had injury to your eye, yes or no, if you have any injury to your hand, what the doctor will tell? The doctor says that you want to see properly, you want to write with your hands, you cannot handle any heavy weight. This kind of suggestions are given by the doctor. So according to the doctor's advices, we are taking the precautions. But here this boy doesn't listen to the words of the doctor. What he has done, let us see. So I want to run, shouted the boy. I wanted to run. Why this boy shouting here? When the doctor has told something to this boy, to what the doctor has told, actually the doctor told that he will not run in his life. But the boy wanted to become the fastest runner. No, actually, right? So he wanted to change his opinion. Instead of being on the bed, he wanted to run. That's why he shouted like this. I want to run and I want to run. You will not be able to run, said the doctor. So last decision given by the doctor. What the doctor has told? The doctor told that you are not able to run in your life only. Now, you should be happy with you if you can walk. So, at least the doctor has given the advice. Even though you cannot run, at least you can walk in your life. The doctor has given the advice. But here Glenn Cunningham was not happy with the decision of the doctor. Okay, whatever the advice the doctor has given, he was not happy with the doctor's advice. But Glenn did not listen to the doctor. So whatever the words told by the doctor here, he did not listen. Who is that person here? The Glenn Cunningham did not listen to the words of the doctor. I won't give up, he told himself. I will run. So what is the great spirit shown by the Glenn Cunningham here? Yes or no? Have you seen, children? In the same way, Wilma Rudolph also, even though she is suffering from polio, even though she doesn't walk without the support, she wanted to become a fastest runner in the world. So here also the Glenn Cunningham has the same spirit. Okay, and he wanted to achieve his goal. What he is doing? I won't give up. Giving up. What is the meaning to this word giving up, children? What is the meaning? Actually, the giving up means we are not going to lose. We are not losing in our life. We don't want to lose our goal in our life. He told himself, I will run. That means with a great spirit he is telling that I will run. Whatever the doctor tells, I won't listen to the doctor's suggestion. Just I want to run. Glenn was in bed for a year. See what had happened. So when a great injury was occurred to this boy, he was lying on the bed only for how many days? Not the days, not the months. He has laid on a bed for 1 year. Then afterwards, what had happened? When he got up, he tried to walk. Immediately after taking rest for 1 year, he started walking slowly. He kept the steps slowly, one by one step on the ground. Then he fell down. When he tried for the first time, children, all are looking in the textbook. See the textbook here. He fell down. When he was trying to walk for the first time, what had happened? He was just to fall down. But Glenn did not give up. Again, he did not give up, children. He did not give up. Why he is not giving up? Due to the pain, everybody will give up. They will lose. Yes or no? They will lose. They don't want to try. But here Glenn Cunningham is not doing in such a way. What he is doing? Just he wanted to achieve his goal. So with great spirit he wanted to achieve his goal. Glenn did not give up. He kept trying. So for many times what he has done, he was trying for many times. At last Glenn was able to walk. So after few days, after trying for many times, what had happened? Here he began to walk, able to walk for some distance. The doctors were surprised. Why the doctors were surprised? Because in the beginning, when this boy had a injury to his leg, the doctor has told that you won't walk or you won't run. The doctor has given that well, but here the doctors, by seeing for the Glenn Cunningham, was very surprised. Then Glenn started to run. After walking slowly, he began to run. Soon he could run faster than his friends. So whatever the competitions are kept in the school, children, naturally we will see when we have the games and the sports, we will keep the competition between the two teams or two individual persons. Yes or no? So games are nothing but Coco, Kabaddi we are going to play. In a group we are going to play. Actually you should have to know the differences between the games and the sports, children. Games are played between different people. Yes or no? In a group, simple words we can tell that the games are performed in a group. But here sports are performed individually. Or among one person only, children. Among one person. Right. Now, soon he could run faster than his friends. So when the competitions are kept in the schools, he began to run faster than his friends. Now later, that means after few days, Glenn became the fastest runner of his time. Okay. So whatever the competitions are kept in his surroundings, in the schools or in his place, nearby places, he would come first in the competitions. Glenn Cunningham showed that anything can be done if one tries hard. So what message our Glenn Cunningham has given, see children here. What the message Glenn Cunningham has given here? Glenn told that if we have spirit, if we have the strength, we can do anything. We can do anything if we work hard to it, to achieve our goal. If we work hard, then everything we can be achieving in our life. So this is the lesson given about the Glenn Cunningham from our appendix lesson, children. So from the listening and speaking, everybody should have to watch the video and read the lesson once or twice, children. So with this I am ending my class. So in the next class we are going to meet with another topic.